Hey guys, I'm back with another hair video, and in this video I will be doing a hot oil treatment because my hair is super dry and it's calling for one. So to start off, you'll need like an empty bottle like this one. It actually had product in it, but I threw it out because I needed that top part. I'm going to use jojoba oil, almond oil, and also Jamaican black castor oil. I didn't use a specific amount of oil. I was just throwing in however much I wanted of each oil. And I would have used more Jamaican black castor oil, but that was the last of it. Next, you'll want to get like a mug or a cup with steaming hot water. Well, not too hot because it probably will melt the bottle. And then I took the cap off just in case it got too hot and just put it in the hot water. I did leave the bottle sitting in for about 10 minutes and we're ready to start. I did use a co-wash prior to doing the hot oil treatment just so that I can do it on clean hair. So to start off, I'm going to section my hair in 4 parts, and y'all already know I'm going to start with the back. So I was like today years old when I realized that you can put the shower cap over the sections that you're not using yet so that it can maintain like the water or whatever so it doesn't dry out and you don't have to re-wet the hair. After I let the oil like saturate and everything, I'm just going to do a twist and move on to the next section. Be sure that you're putting a lot of oil to the ends because that's like basically the worst part of the hair. As you can see in mine, it needs to be chopped. But yeah, we'll get into that in another video. just realized that my camera battery was dying, but I'm basically just gonna do the same exact thing that I did on this section to the other 3 sections. And here are all the twists with the oil in them. I did about probably 20 twists or less. I was detangling with my fingers, and this is the amount of hair that came out. Massaging the oil into your scalp can help open the pores. It can boost your blood circulation, and it also promotes hair growth. I set the timer for 30 minutes, but I definitely sat longer than that. This was about like 2 hours later. I actually decided to wash the oil out of my hair with the twist remaining in, instead of pulling it out. Just wanted to try something different. Being that it was so late, I just decided to keep the plastic cap on and just put the microfiber head wrap, or whatever it's called, over it and go to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.